Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:40 in Honolulu, 4:40 in New York. It is Wednesday, 7th day of September, 2016, and this is Trending Markets. We are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, closing off fractionally once again, down about 12 points. I call that in essence unchanged, 18,526. Standard & Poor's closing fractionally higher to unchanged. You just saw a change in the print. We're at 2184.50. NASDAQ did close unchanged, a couple of ticks higher on the day, 48.29. And oil also closed higher on the day. Let's go ahead and pull that up about 2%, or approximately $1 per barrel at 45.78. So traders, I do want to apologize if there's any background noise today. Do have construction across the street that I simply could not stop or halt. So I've gone ahead and recorded over that, having done a test and seeing that it wasn't that bad. First to oil, as you can see, currently trading at 46.01, putting it up about 2.63% on the day. And there's absolutely no doubt, when we take a look at this market, a couple of things are pretty clear. First of all, 43 seems to have been an area of real solid support. As this market came down, and it came down from just under $49 per barrel, market trades all the way down to about 43. Here we get a piercing line confirmation. Yesterday, a slight down day according to this chart, and today, a continuation of the upside move. In terms of where I think oil could find some real resistance, $47 would be our first area. We do have a little bit of historical data alluding to that fact. And of course, we have these highs that come in just below $49 a barrel. So 47 would be the first point. I would look for a little bit of resistance, and definitely before $49. I do not expect oil to move higher than that. US dollar up ever so slightly, but I'll call it in essence unchanged. 0.145 is the actual move, so it's a 0.15 percentage gain. 94.97, that's the current print in the market. This is a weekly chart. Of course, if we convert it into a daily, we'll see the tremendous sell-off yesterday, as well as a small, almost doji-like candle that we're absolutely looking at today. Now, in terms of different areas that I am looking for in the dollar, I do expect it to continue to show some weakness, and that is based upon the assumption that we will not see an interest rate hike here in the United States by the Federal Reserve in the month of September, this month. Dow Jones Industrial Average, we're looking at a daily chart of the Dow Jones. As you can see, very much a doji-like candle today, in essence unchanged, after yesterday's really modest fractional gain on the day, and that of course is following the day before, meaning Monday, this being Friday of last week. We still have real resistance in the Dow Jones right in here at these record highs at around 18,620. Most interesting is the Standard & Poor's. This, of course, is the E-mini, 2184.75. That's our current print. It just changed from 50 to 75. Weekly chart, we can absolutely see that we have a net change that is higher on the week. If the market closes is in this area, take a look at this, traders. It will be the highest close that we have on record for the Standard & Poor's. Now realize, as it's been trading up near these tops, it doesn't take much to give us a new record top. And as I said, that's a weekly. We'll go ahead and convert this to a daily chart. 1 second, please. And as you can see, yesterday, we actually took this market up to a point in which we challenged the record highs. I'm going to draw this as straight as I possibly can so we can take a look at it. But you can see that it absolutely came and flirted with these record closes. Those would be these two right here. We traded above that yesterday, and really based on this close right now, meaning it is unchanged, we are in essence at a new contract, a new historical record high in the Standard & Poor's 500. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.